Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, I'll be sharing some mind-blowing Canva features that you probably didn't know existed. These features are game changers for creators, social media managers, and coaches. It makes content creation faster and easier. Now, before I dive in, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. The first feature I'm going to show is how to create slides from text prompts. Canva has made it so easy for us to generate slides without having headache. So for you to generate your slides, go over to your Canva homepage and click on Doc. Once you're on the editor, you see this pencil icon here. Click on this pencil icon. In this box, type in your topic, your slide topic. I'm going to type in 3. I'm going to type in 3 benefits of daily meditations for social media managers. Then I'll click on this arrow here. We'll just have to wait for some seconds or minutes for it to generate. Once it's done generating, you click on this insert, go through it and make some adjustments. Then after making your adjustment, go over to magic switch, click on this magic switch. The good thing about this is that it's not only for creating presentation, you can also translate your document to different languages. You click on translate. If you want it in Chinese, you can see that you can translate. Once you click on this translate, it will translate this doc in Chinese language. So I'll go back. I'll click on convert to presentations. Canva just created our slides. You can look at the different template styles and choose the one you like. And also you can also customize these slides to suit your brand. I'll just click on create my presentation here. So you can see our slide. The next feature I'm going to show you is Magic AI Tools. Canva AI Tools is in another level. I'm going to show you how to use this Magic AI Tools to grab images from this picture here, to extract text, and also to remove watermarks. Okay, the first thing here I'm going to do is to extract this picture. This lady here, I'm going to remove her. If you want to do that, click on this picture here, go over to Magic Studio. You can see this Magic Studio on the editor. Click on the Magic Studio. Magic Studio. Then you come over to Magic Grab. Click on Magic Grab. So I want to grab this woman. I'm going to click on it and I will grab. You can see how amazing Canva is. Look at this woman here. See my background. See this woman here. So if I want to remove this logo here, I'm going to click on this picture here. Go over to Magic Studio. Click on Magic Eraser. Then I'll use the brush. I am going to click on this and I'll click erase. You can see. So to remove this text, click on this, go over to Magic Studio again, click on grab text. I'll go over to all text and I'll click grab. You can see my text here. Here is my image and here is my background. The third Canva feature I'm going to show you is AI voiceover. If you want to access Canva AI voiceover, go over to applications, click on the applications here. Then over to this search box, type in AI voiceover. You type in AI voiceover. You can see different AI voiceover and different applications which you can use in your content creation. Let me show you how to use one. I'm going to click on this particular voiceover here. Once it is open, you can type in your script here. Then you come over to the speaker and choose any speaker of your choice. If you want a female one, let me choose Rachel. Style, you choose your style. Over to this style, you choose any style you want and you can just click generate.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial.
So you no longer need to spend much money to generate voiceover for your content creation. Let's go over to the next Canva feature. The next Canva feature I'm going to show you is how to create stunning videos for your social media accounts. To do that, in your home page, go over to videos, click on this video here. Then you have to choose a mobile video. Click on this mobile video. In your editor type, go over to design, then over to this videos in an instant, click on try it now. Then Canva will bring out all the files which you have uploaded in Canva. If you don't have the current image which you want to use for your video, you can come over to this box with a cloud, click on this box and click on media picker and upload your image. I'll just pick randomly here. I'll just click on this. You can select up to 10 images and make sure that the image you are selecting correspond with the video you want to generate. So you come over to this magic design, this box, describe the kind of video you want. Come over to this place and describe the video you want. I'm going to write in so I just typed in video on making money online. You can see Canva just generated the video for us. Let's play it. You can see how amazing this video is, saving us lots of time and effort. So Canva keeps getting better with these amazing AI power tools. Whether you use it as a content creator, as a coach, or a business owner, these features can make work easy and faster for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.